Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your boy Trust My Levels. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because I might not post every single day that I have posted a video because I might not have a chance. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so it'll notify you when I put these videos up. So you don't miss them in the morning. So let's get it. So right now, now I'm switching to we're still doing the gap. We're still doing our thing with the fibs. So now let's switch to a more traditional way of drawing the fibs, still with the fibs that I teach. All right, so now I'm looking here, and after drawing this on a traditional way, it seems like we've pulled back to about the 61.8, 70% area back there. After we entered that profit box, did our little thing down here, and then started to pull back up. So this is on the 30-minute chart. So just doing that analysis of where we are, on higher time frames than the 2, 5, 15, 23s and all those things. So just doing a little bit, just looking a little ahead for that. So then I come over here to the 4-hour, and right now, based on a little pullback, drawing a traditional fib, like, your swing lows to swing highs, I'm sitting here right at the H crest from before, and then I'm sitting at the 39.02, which was the 70% here, and then it's starting to pop back up. Got a few H patterns over here. Got a little H pattern here. It popped off of that broad information that was there. We have some broad informations. Let me check this real quick. See if I can get some broad informations on the screen for you. All right, we went through a couple broad informations yesterday. So, and of course, when you get to these higher time frames, it looks a little crazy because let me see what we got down here on this 5-minute to see where we are. So if you come down to the 5, yeah, you see we had yeah, perfect. Came down here to the 5, it loaded up some stuff here, and you see we came down. We went through a monthly, we went through a weekly, went to a daily, but it seems to, have respected those areas a little bit. Yeah, it went up and then came right back down, popped that daily right there below it. Here's a weekly, here's a daily, went through the monthly, got up to the quarterly, and then started to hesitate and stay around this area. Because you see that one tapped it a bunch of times. So that daily, the quarterly here, then the daily right here. Now we have another monthly up here at 39.22. I'm not really looking at the if there's a gap up or anything right now, because I need to draw that once we get closer to open. So yeah. And one more look, let's see over here on the daily. So again, on the daily chart, there's a traditional fib type of deal. We're sitting at that 50% level, 39.81. Yeah, about 39.81. Let's see here. And that was a 61.8 there. And I'm not really looking for it to get back up to 448, but the move that has happened, it would suggest that. But again, I'm looking at more short-term fibs because this on the daily, this can give us definitely a false signal. But it looks like, we're setting up for that 448.87 up there. But I don't think we're ready. The market is primed for us to push all the way back up there. It might. Hey, who knows? Just, again, this is a bigger picture type of fib. And then one more time, I'm gonna go over to this weekly real quick. All right, so now on the weekly time frame, yeah, I just canceled some extensions to the sides, to the left and to the right. So that's why you see the other ones here. But on this weekly chart, our draw looks like, hey, we've tapped that 38.15 area from all of this move. And of course, for this, oh my gosh, that's 54.38 up there. We are not ready to get to that because we pulled back. We had this time back in January where it was at 48.18, it was the high, and then it just started to pull back. And on a traditional fib type of draw, we've hit that 38.2, confirming this uptrend here. So, and this is a strong trend. So boom, we've confirmed that with 38.2. But again, you have some weekly levels here, 35.05, 31.95, and a lot of a couple analysts that we're looking at for us to get to that 3,400 level, 3,300 level, 3,200 level. You know, it's probably changed since the last time that we looked at it, but yeah, some analysts are looking at these areas. So, and they think we can do that by year end. So, of course, I'm not calling for it. We react, okay? We don't predict, we react. And I'm just looking at, you know, different levels to see where we're at. So, yeah. So, and when the market opens, draw your fibs and let's get it. I'll be in class. So I'll see y'all later on. We've got a full day of class. So we'll see y'all later on, and be safe out there in the Wall streets. All right. If you got any questions, send me a message. I'll talk to y'all later.